BioLeg represents a paradigm shift in the field of prosthetics. Using the latest materials and design principles, the BioLeg integrates seamlessly with the human body, providing unparalleled comfort and performance. Advanced sensors and actuators mimic natural muscle movements, providing users with a remarkably lifelike experience. The leg's adaptive AI system constantly learns and adapts to the user's gait. Their Bio innovation is a prosthetic leg featuring a microprocessor-driven joint with sensors that operate at a rate of 200 times per second. It features a battery life of up to 16 hours on a single charge, and the BioLeg can hold up to 125 kilograms. Introducing the VELO Luggage, the revolutionary travel companion designed to elevate your trip with unparalleled functionality and style. It has been designed to withstand the rigors of travel while ensuring easy portability. She survived a 35-inch fall. The main advantage is the quick size changes that offer heights of 16, 22, and 26 inches. Adapts to your packing needs. Whether it's a short business trip or a long vacation, it blends seamlessly into your lifestyle. So you don't have to empty half your bag looking for a spare shirt. Elevate your adventures with the VELO bag, where innovation meets sophistication. Its price is $239. When you run or walk fast, your backpack becomes 3 times heavier than when you're in a stationary position. But specialists from Lightning Packs have come up with a solution to this problem. With an innovative HoverGlide backpack designed to redefine comfort and convenience for users on the go. The ergonomic design of the backpack evenly distributes the load across the body, reducing pressure on the shoulders and back by approximately 80 to 90% while using the sliding back frame. With adjustable straps and multiple sections, its sleek and modern aesthetic, combined with durable materials, makes it functional and fashionable, which provides unparalleled comfort. Its price ranges from $420 to $470. DOMINO'S DXB, where innovation meets convenience, paving the way for the future of pizza delivery. Our cutting-edge delivery system integrates the latest technology to redefine the pizza ordering experience. With real-time tracking, customers can seamlessly monitor their orders from preparation to delivery, ensuring accurate timing and hot, fresh pizza every time. This bike comes with a built-in oven. It keeps your meal hot at 68 degrees C. This ensures that it arrives at your door in perfect condition, and the crust strikes the right balance between crunchy and soft to keep the pizza stable while baking. The oven ride uses G-force to reduce pizza overload by a whopping 67%. The idea is from the Domino's restaurant chain, the best pizza in terms of sales. Check out this interesting solution for handling drones from the British company OpenWorks Engineering, designed to provide effective and secure protection against unauthorized drone activity. This mobile device combines precise tracking with a modern network launcher, with a range of up to 100 meters. Equipped with intelligent sensors and an automated targeting system, the Skywall 100 can accurately intercept drones with minimal risk. It is also dropped by parachute. If you choose the SP90, the range jumps to 200 meters, but there are no parachutes and the drone crashes. The Skywall 100 represents a major leap forward in drone defense technology, providing a reliable and effective way to counter the evolving landscape of aerial security threats. Introducing the Indestructible notebook and pen, a revolutionary writing duo inspired by the resilience of materials used in space exploration. Made from advanced polymers and alloys, these tools are designed to withstand the harshest conditions. It is resistant to fire, water, dirt, grease, and oil, and is ready for any adventure. The pen is made of advanced polymers and alloys to withstand the harshest conditions. This ensures that your ideas remain intact in any environment. Equipped with a compact ink cartridge, the pen writes smoothly even in zero gravity and underwater. Available for $33. Not only do these sneakers have an unusual shape, but they are also manufactured in a very special way. The entire shoe is 3D printed. Designed with precision and passion, these sneakers redefine the boundaries of contemporary footwear. The Cryptide shoe seamlessly blends urban aesthetics with advanced technology. Designed by Stefan Henrich, it is an innovative combination of cutting-edge design. The material can withstand temperatures up to 219 degrees Fahrenheit. The creator of these sneakers, German architect and designer Stefan Henrich, points out that the shape is a unique soul inspired by the mysterious patterns found in nature. CorPower Ocean is a leading force in harnessing wave energy, transforming the enormous potential of ocean waves into a sustainable energy source. At the heart of their innovation is high-wave technology, a compact and efficient system that mimics the movement of waves to generate electricity. Using resonant wave energy converters, converting linear motion into rotational motion, CorPower's waveforms feature incredible energy conversion efficiency, maximizing energy production from the constant movement of the ocean. Thus, it produces about 300 kilowatts of energy from one generation in the future. This technology can provide about 10% of the global demand for electrical energy, which unlocks the enormous potential of our oceans to provide a greener future. The world's first full-size drone with 2 gimbals is presented by a team of specialists from Japan. This drone in the market has great capabilities. Equipped with robotic arms, the PD-6 BAW arm can perform complex tasks such as grasping, lifting, and moving objects weighing up to 22 pounds with ease. The maximum flight speed is 37 miles per hour. The drone can fly for 30 minutes on a single charge. It can climb to a height of up to 3.1 miles. It is able to work in any weather. With its versatility, precision, and rugged design, it sets a new standard for industrial drones. Line X and Bullet Liner are 2 leading brands in the protective coatings industry, specializing in durable, high-performance solutions for various applications. Sprayed polyurea coatings provide unparalleled strength and flexibility, and act as a reliable defense against impact, wear, and corrosion. These coatings apply seamlessly to surfaces, creating a strong barrier that enhances the longevity of vehicles, industrial equipment, and other assets. It adapts to different substrates and shapes easily. It is also very practical because it hardens in about 6 seconds after application. These coatings provide a durable, non-slip surface that can withstand harsh environmental conditions. Temperatures range from 100 to -40 degrees, as a layer thickness starting from 1 millimeter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next ride.